Dion Vincent here. What up? How you feel? This is another message, another part of the affiliate marketing secrets. So stay tuned, baby. We are definitely covering a lot of ground here with this series of the affiliate marketing secrets, masterclass, boot camp, all those good things. We are just doing it. So I got a lot of information, and I hope it's really helping you guys. Hope you're learning a lot. I got some new stuff that I want to talk about that nobody else talks about when it comes to affiliate marketing or CPA marketing or online marketing in general. Okay, let's see here. Maybe let's do a little review. Let's do a little review here. Some of the things that we've talked about so far in the series here. One thing that we have to focus on is our mindset. We have to recognize that this is not a lottery ticket. It does take work and commitment and resolve. It's resolve to continue until success. Not work or continue if success. Okay, it's a very big difference. If you resolve to continue until success, you'll never give up. Because like I said, previous part, giving up is a mindset. It's not an action. Or should I say it's a mindset that leads to the action. Okay? Or if we resolve to continue until success, instead of resolving to continue if success, that means if we don't get success after a while, we're just going to quit. It's not for us. It's a very big difference, okay? Also, we know we need to track things. We need to track our leads. We need to track our results. We need to track our statistics. We need money for tools, for tracking, depending on your business model. But there are some things that you can use. There are some free tools, like TubeBuddy if you're doing video marketing, YouTube marketing. You can use TubeBuddy. They have a free version. Video IQ is another free version. Another tool with a free version. Both of them are very valuable. And let me know if you want me to make a video or two about Video IQ or TubeBuddy. I use both. I gave you a real good tip about TubeBuddy that I've never seen anybody talk about this, and I'll repeat it here. Sign up for the free version of TubeBuddy. Make sure you use a good email. Keep checking that email after you sign up. Within 3 weeks to a month, no more than, I'd say, 2 months, they're going to send you, well, they most likely will. I'm not guaranteeing anything, but it's been my experience and a few other people I've talked to. So I'm not guaranteeing, but this has been our experience. Is after a month or two, they're going to send you an offer for their lowest level paid version for a one-time fee instead of a monthly fee. And I can't remember what mine was, and it was really cheap. I don't know, $60, $70. It was really cheap. Yeah, I don't remember. But anyway, look out for that email, because normally I think their cheapest is $50 a month, continuous. Yeah, $50 a month. So this way you get their cheapest or lowest cost monthly plan or version, paid version, for free. You just gotta look out for that video. Look out for that email. That's why you want to make sure you use a good email that you can check daily, or that you already do check daily, or you can even set up a notification for an email from TubeBuddy. I don't know if YouTube, Yahoo has it, but I'm sure Gmail has it. So anyway, yeah, you want to definitely sign up and then wait for that email, and bam, you get it all free, one-time payment. Okay, so just look for that. Let's see, a lot of things we've talked about. We've talked about mindset, tracking, spying on the competition with tools. Those tools are expensive, but they're worth it depending on your business model, especially if you do native ads. You definitely want to spy on the competition, and Facebook ads too. We also talked about the aspects. You don't have to necessarily spend money to learn affiliate marketing or CPA marketing, but you will have to spend money on a course. You should, and I'll tell you why. Is that you can learn 75 to 80 to 85% of what you need to know for free on YouTube or other places, groups, Facebook groups, forums. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. But you can learn it's realistically or conservatively, you can learn 75% of what you need to know to be successful. And you can find 100% on how to start. Okay, that's another thing. Everybody always tells you how to start. You can see a million videos how to start affiliate marketing and blah, blah, blah. But that's the easy part. But there is, and definitely you want to get a video on how to start, definitely. It's valuable to know exactly what to do to start. However, starting is just, it's like buying a sign for your business, putting it on the wall. Yeah, it's great. You're open for business. You started, but you ain't made a penny yet. So, you definitely want to start, and it's important. And I do want to mention that, as we've talked about, you do have to start. You can't just keep learning and learning without starting, without doing anything. Analysis by paralysis. That's something you need to watch out for. Keep learning, find a better way, but you never actually implement anything because you're still looking for the best way before you start. Don't do that. Go ahead and start imperfectly. Imperfect action is much better than imperfect action. See, I'm trying to be a philosopher. That's just where I'm at. It's better to take imperfect action than wait for perfect action. Or imperfect action is better than perfect non-action. Or non-action waiting for perfection. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. You gotta start, man. Come on. And ladies, come on. Yeah, you can do this now. You can do it, but you gotta start. Okay? Don't let nobody tell you can't do it. Not even yourself. Don't even let yourself tell you can't do it. Obviously you can. You obviously can. There's a million people making money online, and they're not all geniuses. There are a lot of everybody, myself included, are pretty average. Okay, I mean, I'm talented and gifted in a few things, but affiliate marketing is not one of them. But you can do it, okay? You can do it. You can do it. You have to have the right mindset, dedication, and commitment. And I want to preface what I said earlier about learning. You have to commit to learning and doing, okay? Not just commit to doing, but you do have to commit to learning. I know it's like a contradiction to what I said earlier. But in other words, you want to keep evolving while you're taking action. Okay? That's what I really mean. You want to keep evolving with your practices and your techniques and your knowledge and your learning and your doing while you're doing. Don't just do one or the other. Do both of them at the same time. Okay? Now, there's a lot more that I've talked about that I haven't gave you a refresher on. I want to get a few more things out there. This is something else nobody talks about. Is that almost every network that you join has their own marketing team. So you have to be very selective on who you share your total campaign with, your total funnel, all those things, because they could literally copy you and get the leads that you would have gotten. So you definitely want to be selective with that. Nobody ever talks about that, but it's a fact. And it hasn't happened to me, but other marketers I know have sworn it has happened to them, where networks shave leads. Like, you know that you drove a certain amount of traffic, which should convert to a certain amount of leads, but yet your leads is down by, say, 10, 15%, or maybe 5%. A lot of people think that's network shaving leads for themselves. It could be. It could be. So, something else to be aware of. Another thing that I've talked about, and I want to mention this because it's so important too, it's kind of in the same vein, is that there is an aspect of a daily payout, or a daily, what you can make from whatever offer. Like, they have a daily cap. Like, you can only send in, say, 50 leads a day on this one particular offer. And your ad spend is not finished. You reached your cap, but your ad spend is not finished, so they're still sending leads to that offer, your leads to that offer. And for some reason, your CPC goes way up. The reason it is because somebody has put your offer to another, your traffic to another offer that's still open, because you'll reach your cap in your first offer A. So they send your traffic to offer B that's not converting at all, because you follow it and you find that the offer that you're sending your traffic to is a really crappy offer. Sales page is bad, lander is bad, all that stuff. So what you do is call your affiliate manager. Just a lot of people don't know you do this. Call your affiliate manager and ask them, can they switch you to another offer? Something that's really hot, or something that you else know about, something that you've worked before, anything. The same vertical, of course. But you want to do that, okay? That's something nobody ever tells you about. Also, this is something else, is you have to have a daily budget, and you have to have a weekly budget and a monthly budget, okay? Reason being, because you have to monitor and keep your cash flow going, because cash flow cash flow is one of the most important things in your business that nobody else talks about. Cash flow is everything. Reason being, your offer can be profitable, but if you gotta wait to continue your ads, you gotta wait to get paid to continue your ads, your campaign dries up, or somebody else can take your campaign. Somebody else will shoot right in there. Because it is an aspect of, it's not, okay, you can be successful in affiliate marketing or CPA marketing. You can make consistent money, but the reason you do that is you're constantly creating new campaigns, and constantly getting new offers, because offers, which a lot of people don't tell you about, offers come and go. Okay? It's the only way you can be consistently successful is consistently trying out new campaigns and new offers. Now, once you get a campaign profitable, you just let it run until it ends. Okay? But you can't just, hey, have a campaign going, I'm just going to sit back and relax. No, you got to continuously get new campaigns and new offers. Get them profitable. Okay? So those are some of the things that, that you have to know. The secrets of affiliate marketing. So, in this video, let me know if this is some other things that you want to know about affiliate marketing. I gave you some really good nuggets in this series that a lot of people don't talk about, a lot of people don't even know about, and some people learn the hard way. I think this is definitely beneficial to you. Let me know, like I said, in the comments below, if you like more videos on the secrets of affiliate marketing. I do have a lot more. Or do you have other questions or any other topics you want me to cover? And it can be about mindset, it can be about credit, it can be about business, it can be about success, it can be about manifestation, it can be about marketing, YouTube, all those things. There's a lot of tricks out there, people. There's a lot of ways that you can become successful. It's not A and to B to C. And like a lot of people tell you, it's not like that at all. Okay? So just keep pushing, learn, and keep implementing, and you will be successful. Alright? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Click the little bell icon to get notified anytime I give you more great content. That's Dion Vincent here.